So that's exactly what I heard in the video. Weird. It'll pretty much stay where you put it too, so I don't know. Weird. Hey guys, Shea Bear here. Some more paranormal stuff. I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but in the last paranormal video, when I was sitting here talking, that door right behind me opened up. And you can actually hear the click of the door handle turning, which I'll loop that for you a couple times. And then I'll play the unedited version of it, the raw footage that I recorded right here on this camera, and we'll see what you guys think about that. Little story. Night before last, I was in the garage smoking a cigarette, and little story on that is, you know, little story on that is Hey guys, Shea Bear 1000 here. Today I've got something else that I'm going to kind of put under the paranormal stuff. Little story. Night before last, I was in the garage smoking a cigarette, and little story on that is, you know, I don't smoke in the garage, so, or I don't smoke in the house, I smoke in the garage. So the other night, you know, when I go in and smoke, I just kind of watch security cameras, maybe see if I can see animals. You know, I've seen armadillos and stuff in there, so I just kind of watch and make sure, because I'm up late, I don't sleep a lot, so just make sure the house is okay. And the other night when I was watching, I caught something on camera too that I'm going to put in here for you, and then I'll narrate through the camera itself when I show that footage. But I had to share this with you guys. So, and it's just interesting me. I mean, I don't hold a lot of stock in orbs, we all know that, but this is pretty cool. So take a look at it and see what you think. See, that's pretty interesting. So, you know, let me know in the comments below what you guys think it is. I mean, like you seen, it definitely wasn't a bug, so I don't know what it was. So, alright guys, hope everybody enjoys your weekend coming up, and remember, comment, rate, and subscribe, and click the bell icon so you can get notified of when I upload my next videos. So thanks again guys, thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Shea Bear, the myth, the man, legend. I'm gone for now. Bye bye guys, take care. So, you know, that's pretty compelling, guys. Excuse me. Snickers the cat was over here on the bed beside me, and Bruno was outside on his leash. And I always close the door because the air conditioner's so loud. I didn't notice it until Monkey got home. She wasn't here. She was at work. So when Monkey got home, she likes to watch my videos. So we watched it, and I caught it. And I said, no, wait a minute. So I backed it up, and she was like, what? Well, she was looking over here at the, you know, right there. She was, you know, looking at what's going on behind me, you know. And so she had noticed it, and I played it again. I said, watch the door. So it's pretty disturbing. My niece noticed it, but I didn't notice it until I was watching it with her, because I don't always play every clip all the way through if I'm not going to be like doing much editing in that clip. I really have no reason to. So I didn't notice it through editing, but I did afterwards. So here it is again, and I want to say thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Shea Bear, the myth, the man, the legend. I'm out for now. Take another look at this and see what you think. Let me know in the comments below. Smoking a cigarette, and little story on that is, I don't smoke in the garage, and little story on that is, I don't smoke in the garage, and little story on that is, I don't smoke in the garage.